Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer videos from your Windows 10 to your iPhone. So now, as you notice, I have iTunes 12.9 open. So this is iTunes 12.9, and just plug in your iPhone to your computer, and once you plug in you should see your iPhone's icon right here. So just one click on that iPhone's icon, and just make sure that you click on backup and make a backup for yourself. So once you make the backup, go all the way down and check this option, manually manage music and videos. So just check that, and once you check that, click on done, and then you should see your iPhone right here. So this is your iPhone. You should see all of these options. So click on movies. But before you do this, on your iPhone, so this is my iPhone, on your iPhone you'll need the TV app. So this is the the TV app that comes with all iPhones. So if you don't have it, just open the App Store and install the Apple TV. So Apple TV, make sure you install it and make sure you open it and have it ready. And then after you do that, go back to the iTunes, and you'll have just one click on movies first, and then just drag and drop your MP4 file. So I have the MP4 video. I'm not sure if iPhone supports other video types such as MPG and other ones, but if it doesn't, convert your video to MP4. Okay, so I'm going to drop my MP4 file right here. So as you notice, if I just drag and drop it, it's going to update files on my iPhone, and as you notice, it's in there now. So right now, if I go to the iPhone and I open the TV app, so I'll open the TV app and then I'll tap on the library right here. So I'll just tap on the library and I'll tap on the home videos. So just one tap on it, and here's the video that I have transferred from my Windows 10 to my iPhone. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you everybody for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos. I'm out now. Bye bye.